Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In this channel I specifically speak about Bitcoin and innovation based investing. Moreover, I would love to start from a point of view of understanding anything before you buy or sell or trade or whatever you do in life. Try to understand. I've spent long time understanding the history of Bitcoin, why it matters. So before you get into any kind of investment in your life, you have to see whether you are suitable for that kind of investment. Investment is more about understanding yourself than about understanding what you're going to invest in. So if you are a risk averse kind of an investor, I don't recommend for you to get into cryptocurrency, for especially Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies. And having said that, today in this tutorial we will talk about 4 easy steps on how you can buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on the latest platform that is in the Middle East called Rain. Now, Rain is a registered, or I would say authorized cryptocurrency exchange, and it is authorized by Central Bank of Bahrain. I believe in the region we don't have any other regulatory authority that has given permission for Bitcoin, especially the central banks. In UAE, we have few authorities like ADGM, Abu Dhabi General Market. There are some cryptocurrency exchanges there, but I have not seen them as operational like Rain, because I've seen Rain putting advertisements on Twitter or Facebook or other social media platforms. And when you look at it, it looks like a sound and a good looking website. Now, what matters is how good they are in their pricing, in their fees. And now, when you visit Rain.bh for the first time, you are given this beautiful looking web page, the home page. And I believe Rain also is available in Arabic, Turkish, and English, uh, which is good for a variety of audience. And what they're saying here is Rain is licensed cryptocurrency platform and custodian trusted by thousands of customers in over 50 countries. Now, one trend that I've seen with Bahrain's central bank is their stance on cryptocurrencies as well as fintech. If you visit their website, they, I believe, are a step ahead of the rest of the regulators in the region when it comes to managing or being ahead of the curve when it comes to regulations in this high risk or how to protect investor protection mechanisms. So this video we will learn how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using Rain.bh. So once you come to the home page, if you don't have an account, you can open a personal account. It's also good to see Rain is offering institutional support. Maybe they might require you to, if you're a company and you want to buy certain cryptocurrencies, they are helping you with that. But I am more interested in helping individuals to learn about Bitcoin especially, and other cryptocurrencies as well. So I have already opened an account with Rain.bh, and if you're not open, please use this link and I will do sign in to my account. And as of now, I'm not sure whether Rain has two-factor authentication. If it does, I would love to enroll for that. Even you should do that. So once you log in, you are given this page where I believe the four cryptocurrencies that they have on their platform right now are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and XRP. I have a little bit of Bitcoin here. And for you to step 1 was the sign in. The step 2 is for you, if you're a new registration, Rain will definitely ask you for your to authenticate your residency. That is through your utility bill and identity proof through your passport, or if you are, I think your Emirates ID or your national ID also might be helpful. I have submitted my passport copy, so within a day the account was opened, KYC was done. So if you wanted to check what are the prices for Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, just head on to the prices column here, and you will be given a 1-day chart. You can move to 1-week chart, which you will see Bitcoin went up to 193, then it has fallen to 169. So I've always been saying that these kind of investments are not for the faint-hearted. And as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. If you would love to invest, you must consult a certified financial advisor or certified financial planner. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile in nature, and you must only invest as much as you are able to lose. Right? So this is the price. You can see the prices for Bitcoin have fallen 5% in a day, which is not unusual for Bitcoin. Here you can toggle with USD prices. So in USD terms, today Bitcoin is 46,243. I will keep it at this, but they are given a direct buy button here. But before you click on that, just go around this page or a few other pages that they have here. And the third step for you would be to transfer your funds. Right? That you will have to deposit from a bank account. That means your funds have to be transferred from your bank account to your account with Rain. So there are possibilities of, if you are living in UAE, Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Saudi, I believe you can do trades through those currencies. I usually use AED. Just for hypothetically, I will say I'm going to transfer 2000. Okay, now this bank account. How to register the bank account? Now, if you go to this buy link here on the top, you will see add payment method. Now, when you click on add payment method, you will find two kinds of payment methods. One is your card, credit card or debit card. Other is your bank account. I have already added my bank account. So if you're going to add your bank account, it is simple, but make sure that your bank account name matches your ID name. You also have to give your IBAN. IBAN is usually 23 digit. It's international bank account number. Once you do that, add that. I've already added, so I'm not going to add it. Credit cards or debit cards can be added here. One word of caution is credit card transactions are pretty pricey, so I don't recommend you do that. But if you want to do experiments, you may as well do it. But as an overall rule, I never use credit cards for cryptocurrency purchases, right? Because in Rain, the charges for credit card transactions are 4%. That means if you transfer 100 dirhams, 4 dirhams are charged right away. So you will only receive 96 dirhams. It may not sound big, but if you are transferring 10,000 dirhams, it is 400 dirhams. Right? So as the amount goes higher, your fees also goes higher. So I always recommend to whoever seeks my advice, only transfer from your bank account. Right? So let's see here. Hypothetically, I am going to transfer 2000 dirhams bank account. Okay, once you added your bank account, you will receive this drop down menu here, and you can select your bank. And on the right hand side, Rain themselves give helpful hints, which is very good because they are transparent. Are there deposit fees? Right? So there are no deposit fees from Rain's side, but the banks may charge you a deposit. When will my account be credited? Funding your Rain account is the first step to start buying and selling cryptocurrency. Making a fiat deposit to your bank account. Fiat deposit means your currencies, dirhams, dollars. Can be done via bank transfer. Okay. If you have other questions, okay, fine. So that they're transparent in giving this information. So once you have decided how much money you want to deposit into your Rain account, select, enter the amount, enter the bank account, and click continue. Once you do that, Rain will provide you with their bank account details. But before that, you have to confirm your deposit. So clearly they have given here source account. It has to be from Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank for me in my case, right? If your bank is Emirates NBD, it must be that. So destination account is AED. Processing time 1 to 4. Fees. Intermediary banks may charge up to 200 dirhams for wires. These fees are not charged by Rain and we cannot control those fees. So you have to make sure with your bank what are the transfer fees. Okay, once you have read and understood these terms, you have to click and get instructions. What you have to do? Now you have to add Rain's bank account into your bank. That is your Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank or Emirates NBD or First Gulf Bank, whatever bank. You have to add this account as a pay. Right? Very important. Once you've done that, in 2-3 days or 1 day, 1 to 3 days, your money should be credited. Right? I am not going to teach you how to transfer, you know it. So let's go to accounts. Once you've done that, your amount or your currency will be shown here. Right? Now let's go to the buy. Click on the buy link on the top. So you'll be taken. You say, okay, I want to buy 2000 dirham worth of cryptocurrencies, and with 2000 dirhams you will get 0.0115. Very important and good thing to know is that you can purchase fraction of a Bitcoin. Many people ask, oh, Bitcoin is so expensive. No, you can buy fraction of Bitcoins. Another very important hint that Rain is giving, and this is where I wanted to take a step and think about it. Rain, we charge flat fee of 1.5% per transaction. It is very important for you to realize, especially on Rain, that transfer fees are, the buy fees are pretty steep. Compare that to Binance, where I think it is 0.1%, and compare that with few other international exchanges, it is very less. I believe Rain mainly makes money through transaction fees. Right? What are the buy limits? For some strange reason, I have got a transaction or weekly limit of 370 million. I think Rain thinks I am a multi-billionaire who is going to trade on their platform. So they've given me a 370 million. And they also are asking me, if you would like to increase your weekly limit, please reach out to support. Right? I think this is some error, which I'm sure Rain has not realized, but let it be. I don't care, right? So if you see here, fees they're charging on a 2000 dirham purchase is 1.5%, which is roughly around 30 dirhams. So I will only get Bitcoin worth 1970 dirhams. It's very important for you to understand. And the fourth step for you is to click on continue. It is again asking you to log in. Let's see where it takes us. I believe because I have no balance, that's why it is logging me out. But once you put your amount here and you will be able to buy Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin will be visible in your accounts column under BTC. For that matter, if you have to buy Ethereum, same thing, only you have to change the cryptocurrency. I never recommend to go for any other cryptocurrencies, but it's your free will. I only recommend to buy Bitcoin. And that's it. This has been a simple tutorial for you. And if you're ready to buy Bitcoin through Rain, please use the link in the description. Hope to see you in other videos. If you like this video, a simple tutorial, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. I'm going to get more and more tutorials like this and educational videos on this channel. I wish you all the best in your investment journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for your time.